Taking flight, the wonder of wings. Airplane wings are more than just big, flat surfaces. They are carefully designed airfoils. Their special shape makes air move faster over the top of the wing than underneath. This difference in airspeed is what creates lift. Lift is the force that pushes the plane upward, allowing it to climb into the sky. Without wings, planes would simply be very heavy cars. Think of a bird's wing. It's curved on top and flatter underneath. An airplane wing has a similar shape. This shape is crucial for generating lift. As the plane moves forward, the wing slices through the air. The curved upper surface forces the air to travel a longer distance in the same amount of time. The up and down of it, lift and drag. We've talked about lift, but there's another force at play: drag. Drag is the resistance air puts on a moving object. It tries to slow the plane down. The shape of the wing affects drag too. A streamlined wing reduces drag, allowing the plane to fly more efficiently. Imagine sticking your hand out of a car window. If your hand is flat and facing the wind, you feel a lot of resistance. That's drag. Now tilt your hand so it's like a wing cutting through the air, you feel less resistance. Built for speed or soaring wing shapes and their roles. Not all wings are created equal. Some wings are long and thin, like those on gliders. These wings are great for generating lift at low speeds, allowing gliders to stay aloft for long periods. Other wings are short and swept back, like those on fighter jets. These wings are designed for speed and maneuverability. Think of a hawk soaring high above. Its broad wings let it ride air currents effortlessly. Now picture a hummingbird darting from flower to flower. Its short, narrow wings are made for quick movements. From jets to gliders, real-world wings in action. The Boeing 747, a massive passenger plane, has huge, swept-back wings to carry heavy loads over long distances. In contrast, the acrobatic Pitts special biplane has small, rounded wings that allow for tight turns and rolls. Each wing design is tailored to the plane's specific purpose. Just like a bird's wings determine how it flies, an airplane's wings dictate its performance. From the graceful glide of a soaring bird to the thunderous roar of a jet, wings are the key to unlocking the sky.